Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel! And bago tayo mag-proceed, please click the subscribe button and also the ring or the bell button para ma-notify naman po kayo kung meron tayong mga bagong video. Okay, ngayon ang ating topic, this day, our topic is about tools. Okay? Tools for computers, and electronics, repair and maintenance. Okay, so this is very important, guys. Okay, especially those who are taking engineering course, electronic course, vocational course. And also, tayo pong mga tao ngayon sa bahay lang. So, marami tayong nangyayari sa bahay. Nasisira ang ating mga computer, mga electronics appliances and gadgets. So, we need tools para ma-repair po natin ang ating mga electronics and computer and also the gadgets. Okay? And also, kailangan din natin itong mga tools na to sa mga electrical and also the IT installation like networking. Okay? So, number one, guys, a very important tool is the tester. Okay? The multi-tester. So kung kayo po ay nag-iisip, okay, na mag-take ng computer this coming school year, okay, so kung ang goal nyo or your plan is to take computer engineering, electronics engineering or technology or vocational about electronics, computer and electrical, so you need this tool, okay, the multi-tester. Okay, so ang paggamit po nito, guys, so meron akong separate video about multi-tester, okay, or multimeter tester. So gusto nyo malaman paano ginagamit itong tool na to, okay, search nyo lang po yung aking isang video na nagtuturo para paano po gumamit itong multi-tester. Okay, so ito pong tester na to ginagamit natin. Bakit ito mahalaga, bakit ito importante? We use this to measure voltage, current, capacitance, resistance. So this is very useful, okay, very useful, guys. So invest na po kayo. So this is number one tool for computers and electronics repair and maintenance, and also in basic electrical we need also this one, okay, and also in connection with networking, so we need multi-tester. Okay, so number two, guys, is we need this tool for, okay, this one is used in computers and electronics repair and maintenance. We call this one the soldering pump, okay, or the soldering tool. Okay, so ginagamit ito, guys, okay, every time you need to remove electronic parts. Okay, so meron akong separate video na ito how to use this tool. So visit nyo lang po yung channel ko, meron kayong makikita doon how to use this tool. Okay, this one is called the soldering tool, or ginagamit para ma-remove natin ang isang part ng isang board, let's say for example you want to remove the resistor, the capacitor, the transistor, so you need to use the soldering pump or the soldering tool para ma-remove nyo ng madali ang part na yon. Okay, next one, guys, is we need this, okay, soldering tool, okay, soldering tool. So this one is very important, okay, in computers and electronics repair and maintenance. This is also very useful, okay. So meron din po akong separate video about how to use soldering tools, okay, the effective and the right way to use soldering tool, okay. So ito po, importante po ito, mahalaga. So guys, please invest, okay, invest na po kayo. This is very cheap, okay. So this one, meron kayong mabibili na maganda na po yung mga 200 pesos, okay. Guys, ang ano ko lang sa inyo, okay, don't buy very cheap na soldering tools, okay, like 50 pesos, don't buy that, okay. You have to buy the mas maganda, okay, yung mga halaga po na it will cost 200 up, okay. So this is soldering tool, okay. I separate video about how to use soldering tool, okay. Number 3, guys, is we need this one, okay, the cutter, okay, cutter. So you need this one, okay. So let's say for example, magpapalit kayo ng parts, electronic parts. So para maputol niyo yung mga excess na paa niya o excess na hinang. So you need this one, okay, the cutter, okay. So this is very useful in computer, electronics, and electrical, okay. So this one is very mura naman ito, makakuha kayo nito mga 150, okay, maganda na po yon, okay. So kung wala naman kayong budget, pwede naman kayong bumili sa mga bangketa, mura lang po yung mga ganito na cutter, okay. So next one is you need this tool, okay. You need this screwdriver, okay. You need this screwdriver. This one is Phillips Screwdriver, okay. So pag nakakita po kayo nito, this one is Phillips Screwdriver, okay. So mahalaga rin po ito. So you need this one for computers, electronics, and also in electrical, okay. Yeah, also in IT, installation of cable. So kailangan po natin ng Phillips screw, okay. And then also we need the flat screw, okay. So kailangan din po natin ng flat screw, okay, kasi minsan meron po mga screw na ang kanyang ginagamit ay flat, okay. So kailangan po natin ng flat screw. So dito mura-mura nito, makakabili kayo sa mga bangketa around 20 pesos, 30 pesos, 40 pesos. Pero advice ko sa inyo guys, bili kayo ng medyo mahal-mahal para matibay, okay. And then also you need this one, okay, the long nose, okay. This is very important, okay. Lalo na sa pagbebend ng mga wire, okay, sa pag-splice, okay. So kailangan po nitong long nose, okay, lalo na kung meron kayong hawakan ng mga maiinit, okay, very hot surface. So you need this one, the long nose, okay, we call this long nose. So kailangan din nyo po dito guys itong long nose, okay. And also, okay, kailangan din po ninyo ng paintbrush. Okay, so mahalaga ito, guys, hindi na ito ginagamit sa pagpintura, hindi na ito ginagamit sa pagpaint. And also, kailangan to sa computers, electronics, and electrical because sometimes, yung mga board na nire-repair natin, computer, okay, mga fuse box, marurumi. Okay, we have to clean first, okay. Have to clean before we repair and maintain. So this one, ginagamit po talaga ito sa pag-maintain, lalo na, okay, for cleaning. So we need this paintbrush, okay, and also we need this, okay, tool. Okay, this one is called the Allen wrench, okay, Allen wrench or the hexagon wrench. So napakahalaga po nito guys, because sometimes ang ginagamit ng mga screws ay gumagamit sila ng hindi ordinary, okay, ginagamit nila ay Allen. So we need this hexagon tools or the Allen wrench, okay. So ito po nabibili, mura lang sa mga bangketa. May mabibili kayo mga 175, pero bili na rin kayo ng mas matibay, okay. Kaya nabibili naman ng mas matibay ito, mga branded. So yun, pero kung low budget kayo, pwede na rin po yung mga mumurahin dyan, okay. And then we have here, we have here the star screw, okay, the star screwdriver, okay, star screw. Ang ibig sabihin po nito, yung kanyang pinaka-tip, okay, pinaka-tip po niya ay itsurang star, kaya po tinawag siyang star screw, okay, star screwdriver. Kasi minsan meron tayong nakikita ang ginagamit nilang mga tornilyo o screw ay star screw. So hindi siya ordinary, okay, like our gadget, mga iPad, mga cellphone, okay, madalas ang ginagamit nila ay screwdriver, okay, star screwdriver. So ito, mura lang po ito guys. May nabibili nito mga 10 pesos. Pero kung low budget kayo, 10 pesos lang. Pero kung may budget naman po kayo, buy na lang po kayo ng medyo mahal-mahal, matibay-tibay, okay. So para matagal po nating magagamit. So ito po yung star screwdriver, okay. And the last one is, okay, kailangan din po natin ito, okay, itong hand drill. So minsan po kasi kailangan natin magbutas, okay, wala tayong kuryente, so ang butas, we need this one, okay, the hand drill, okay, hand drill. So kailangan po natin ng pambutas. So mahalaga po ito guys, okay. So yun po guys ang ating video ngayon about electronics, okay, tool. And one more thing guys, also lagi kayong maghanda ng electrical tape, okay. So minsan kasi napuputol po yung mga wire natin, so kailangan natin silang dugtong, okay, joint muli. So we need this electrical tape, okay guys. So that's all guys. So these are the tool we need in repair, and okay, tools we need in repair and maintenance of computers and electronics, okay. So napakarami po natin ang kailangan natin, okay. So we need all of this, okay guys. So this is okay, so we need all of this, okay. So okay guys, so we need all of this, okay, in repair and maintenance of electronics and computer, okay, and also electrical. Okay guys, thank you for your watching, and I hope na natuto kayo, and kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, I hope nagustuhan nyo, please click naman po yung ating subscribe button, and also the ring or the bell button para ma-notify naman po kayo sa aking mga bagong video. And also please like and share para sa mga kakilala natin na interesado na matuto ng electronics and computer repair and maintenance, and also electrical and IT network, okay. So thank you for your watching guys, and keep safe, and may God bless us all. Thank you.